Hey friends! I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to introduce you to a new, legit, and most importantly, super easy airdrop. By the end of the video, we'll also review the project's credibility together. So I'd be really happy if you stay with me till the end. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest and most trusted airdrops. All right, let's dive into the video. The airdrop I want to share with you today is called Sigma, which has been trending a lot recently. It's being talked about everywhere. You can think of this airdrop as a solid alternative to the Pause project. Just like Pause, you don't have to do anything complicated here. Unlike most Telegram airdrops, you won't need to play any games to earn tokens. All you have to do is connect your wallet to the airdrop platform. The mini app will then scan your wallet, check your transaction history, balance, and activities, along with their timing, and reward you with points. These points are expected to convert into tokens and get listed soon. Based on this information, my suggestion is to connect an older wallet where you've made more transactions to maximize your points. To participate, simply use the link I've shared in the description to start the bot. Then, you'll be redirected to a page where you just need to click Connect Wallet and link your wallet easily. After that, return to the bot and wait a moment while it scans your transaction history and token balances. You'll then see a summary showing the points you've earned and their sources. After reviewing it, click the button to go back to the main page. At the top of the page, you'll see the total points you've collected so far. If you want to earn even more points, you can explore the Tasks section. By completing these tasks, you can score up to 900 points. Additionally, you can share your referral link with friends to gain extra points. Now, let's talk about the security of this airdrop. There was a rumor that this project was linked to Roxman, the CEO of Major. However, he clarified in a Telegram post that he has no connection with this project and that any official announcements from him would be made through his official channels. So why do we still consider this project credible? Because Victor, a key figure in the TON ecosystem, follows the project's official page on Twitter. Other influential figures like the Notcoin founder, Vladimir Smirkis, founder of Bloom, and even the official TON token page also follow this project on Twitter. Considering all this, it's clear that the project is quite reputable, with significant figures supporting it. So you can safely connect your primary wallet to earn more tokens. Thanks for staying with me until the end of the video. I hope we can all profit well from this airdrop. See you in the next one. Goodbye.